The Epomaker EK98 is a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard that aspires to bring back some retro vibes. Its theme is inspired by game consoles of the 1980s, featuring hues of beige and gray, with a little color pop of red and navy blue. The keycaps are made out of PBT plastic with die sub legends, ensuring long-term durability and wear resistance. The all-plastic construction has minimal case flex, and a handy storage area for the USB dongle is found behind the flip-out feet that adjust the typing angle. The compact 1800 layout has 97 keys and retains a number pad on the right for productivity. 3 connectivity modes allow for a solid 2.4 GHz wireless connection, reliable wired connection over USB Type-C, and up to 3 paired Bluetooth devices. A 3000 mAh battery helps keep the lights on for about 40 hours when not connected with a cable. There are preset RGB LED light modes and can be cycled through various key combinations. The lights and switches are south-facing on the EK98, with 5-pin hot-swappable switches. It comes with factory-lubed linear Epomaker P-Slowly switches that offer a nice pop, and the pre-tuned plate mount stabilizers perform without rattle. The polycarbonate backplate has per-key flex cuts, and combined with the gasket mount and latex foam sandwich, the typing experience is flexy and pillowy. This provides a satisfying marbly sound per keystroke. Unfortunately, a few things are not as bright for this keyboard. To start with, the vivid blue LED indicator lights clash with the keyboard's aesthetics. Next, the huge plastic seam on the front sticks out like a sore thumb. Finally, the keyboard is very difficult to disassemble without some skill and experience, so modding it will be a challenge. At a price of $80 at the time of writing, the Epomaker EK98 is a solid out-of-the-box wireless mechanical keyboard that sounds and performs very well. It does this while bringing a unique old-school gamer aesthetic. Tell us what you think down in the comments below, leave a like if you thought this video was helpful, and don't forget to check out the full review on aphnetworks.com.